the inside just feels like
Pick a lane. Pick a
yeah.
texture lane.
Figure it out. We're on to Skittles, and I hope this is not a hot take when I say Skittles is an A tier.
I like Skittles a lot. Even though, I mean, I just said pick a texture, although Skittles are a little bit similar in that they're like harder on the outside and then softer on the inside. It's different than a jelly bean. It's different.
It is way
But like,
different.
it's not, to look at it, it doesn't seem that different. But anyway, I like Skittles a lot. Skittles would probably be borderline S for me.